Hello everyone, this is called Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. It is just a matter of weeks before the arrival of my baby girl. Both me and my wife are very excited, not forgetting the big brother Joe Young, who seems to be able to feel his new little sister joining the family. It is time to get our Chicco Next2Me Magic ready for action. Do you know that Chicco Next2Me Magic is available in 3 colors? Cool grey, white snow, and sand. Suitable for babies between 0 to 6 months with a maximum loading of 9 kg. What are the features of Chicco Next2Me Magic? 4 brake wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It was stated that Chicco Next2Me Magic has 11 position height adjustment. I'm not too sure, let's find out. Whoa, this is true. Yes, correct, 11 position height adjustment. This sleeping crib is tiltable into 4 positions of difference between one side and the other side that helps to improve the baby's breathing, digestions, and reduce reflux. For swinging or rocking mode, you need to engage 2 sliders over here and here. This will definitely help to soothe your baby back to sleep. For the activation, repeat the same. Do you know that Chicco Next2Me Magic has been designed to allow baby to sleep closely and safely with the parents? With the addition of one-handed sliding side panel, it is much more easier to push up and down when attached to the bed. Let's give it a try. Going down, going up, going down again, going out. Whoa! Airflow is very important. For Chicco Next2Me Magic, it has 1 and 2 transparent mesh windows together with breathable mattress that guarantee extra ventilation for the baby. How to remove the fabric of Chicco Next2Me Magic? One of the important features of Chicco Next2Me Magic is that the fabric is completely removable and washable. Yay! Removing the mattress. To remove the bassinet, there's a release button underneath here. Press it and pull the bassinet. Unbuckle and unzip it. Press both sides of the release button. Repeat the same for the other side. From the bottom, press here to release the support stand. Unbuckle here too. Repeat the same for the other side. Well, I'm ready to remove the main piece of the fabrics. For the mesh window, there's a zipper here. As for this and this, I need a screwdriver. How to pack Chicco Next2Me Magic into a travel bag. Next, I'm going to show you the travel bag that I received together with the Chicco Next2Me Magic. Let's pack everything together into this travel bag. Whoa, I made it. Let's go. Today, I have explained many features of Chicco Next2Me Magic, how to remove the fabric and how to dismantle piece by piece and fit it all together into the travel bag. Thank you for watching my video. Of course, I'm looking forward to do part 3. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.